So, what are we to make of this tale of two lakes, the beauty and the beast? As Skaneateles Lake sits serenely far away and high above Onondaga Lake, it too is not immune from the pressures of development.
In 1996, the town adopted a comprehensive plan that acknowledged that there was a problem with water degradation here in the lake, particularly from agricultural uses and residential development.
The farms around it are disappearing as there is pressure to develop more of the shoreline because of the high value that is placed on lakefront property.
Farmland that had been in farming for generations is now slowly being turned over into residential housing. When the houses are being built, land is opened up and runoff occurs from that impacts the lake. The use of pesticides and herbicides and things of that sort on lawns, septic systems that fail, all those things are potential problems in the future.
Its own beauty and desirability may yet be the source of a future downfall.
By hundreds of people focused on maintaining the quality of Skaneateles Lake. And here's a village at the north end of that lake with some of the highest real estate values in this area. So the economics are obvious and the lessons are pretty clear. By allowing even a small amount of development in the wrong place in the watershed, it could do a tremendous amount of damage.
But Skaneateles does have its protectors, and they are wealthy and powerful, and as history has shown, they will go to extremes to protect it.
It's the literal proof that, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. It's just so much less expensive to prevent that from occurring than it is to try and resolve or restore a body of water of that size after the kind of damage that's been done. That's a lesson that's hard not to learn from the Onondaga Lake experience.
Unless we get some sort of an organized plan and we get better zoning controls and planning throughout the entire watershed, we're going to get greater development and more runoff into the water.
There's a need for vision in this, and there's a need for commitment to do some things that are probably politically unpopular to do.
It is Onondaga Lake that is our tragically lost resource.
Clean is to me, when somebody was come to me and say the lake is done, it's clean, means you can walk in there barefoot and not expect to come out and glow.
The story of the benign and active neglect that killed Onondaga Lake is like a warning beacon, reminding us all of the monumental struggles we will face to reclaim the environment that was so willingly given away.